Kia ora koutou. Here we are at number 4 in the video series about Kaupapa ako, learning topics. This one is about numbers. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to name any number in Te Reo Māori using a very logical number system and only 15 words. Naming numbers in Te Reo Māori uses a place value system. With just 13 number words and the words mā and kotahi, you can say any number you like. You actually only need 15 words. So let's start. The first 11 words you're going to need are the numbers from 0 to 10. And they are kore, tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau. For the next set of numbers, you're going to need these words and the word mā, which means and. So for 11, for example, we would say tekau mā tahi, 10 and 1. 12 would be tekau mā rua, and so on up to 19. When we get to 20, we would say rua tekau, or 2 tens. Rua tekau mā tahi, 2 tens and 1. The next one will be rua tekau mā rua, 2 tens and 2, and so on. And this is how we will count until we get to 99, which is iwa tekau mā iwa. The word for 100 in Te Reo Māori is rau. We're also going to need the word kotahi here as well, because 100 is kotahi rau. After that, we add on kotahi rau mā tahi, 101, until we get up to te kotahi rau mā iwa, and then we would just say kotahi rau tekau. Or maybe kotahi rau mā tekau if you wanted to. Then after that, 111, we just say the words after one another. Kotahi rau tekau mā tahi. 121 would be kotahi rau rua tekau mā tahi, and so on. And this is the pattern that we would use until we get up to 999, which is iwa rau iwa tekau mā iwa. The kupu Māori for 1,000 is mano. 1,000, kotahi mano. And that's it. So let me show you now the only 15 words you need to be able to count as high as you can imagine. And here they are. Once you get up to 9,999, you would then say tekau mano, which is 10,000. 100,000, kotahi rau mano. For 1 million, instead of saying transliterations like miliona, you can use the same system and say mano mano, or 1,000 thousand. 10 million, tekau mano mano. 100 million, kotahi rau mano mano. And then when you get to 1 billion, we are talking about 1,000 million, or kotahi mano mano mano. I'm going to use a ridiculous number now and translate it for you using this system. So let's put a 10-digit number in here. And here is the Reo Māori version right now. It's hard to believe that we did all of that with only 15 words. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comment section of the video. Our next kaupapa is te wā. Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou katoa. Hei kona.